Well, see my God pause there for a while, not noticing by me trying to zoom him in and out. I put this on pause and did not realize. Yeah. So I was showing these oranges a while ago and mentioning that for a while they weren't bearing any oranges. And I was even talking about cutting them. But now we're having some oranges. I was saying actually that there are quite a few on both of them. Yeah. See? Today is a dark day to show like small stuff. And this avocado tree, well, last year after it actually blossomed and had a bit of avocado on it, we get that hurricane burial, and blew off most of them. But as it is right now, it is loaded with young ones. I'm moving around here to see if I can get a better position because the time is overcast and I can't do my position. It's casting the shot to be somewhat dark, but I'm not sure if you can actually see that. But right now they're very, very young, very tiny. Yeah, but a lot. If it actually keep the way they are right now, there will be tons of avocado. And this is not the only tree that bear like that this year, but most of the avocado trees bear a lot this year everywhere I go, at least in around my surrounding. Yeah. So soon we'll be having a lot of avocado. And this is planting that I said started to shoot. Not yet out where you can actually see the fingers, as we call it. But yeah, there's a shoot going up there. So guess I'll be showing that more in the future as things progress and get bigger. But as you can see, the farm is thriving. Things are getting bigger and bigger. Yeah. Well, even as we speak right now, the rain is actually drizzling. Yeah. But giving you a different shot here of the farm, but as you can see, things are a bit dark because of complete overcast sky. And I mentioned about getting rid of these bamboos and also this mango tree. Well, most of it had dried up already, but being here all my life, I know it here actually, but the mangoes never good, loaded with worms. So I burned the root thinking that it would just dry the tree up and fall off bit by bit. Instead the whole tree fall down. So I have this huge mango roots, trunk and all, across the here that I want to farm. So now I have to be burning it to see if I can separate it. So the hope and intention is that this huge trunk, see this one already, this section already been burned this since Saturday, and separate. I'm trying to separate that part up there, and the hope and intention is that when that happens, it will actually fall over the precipice, because this is right at the edge of a deep section of the precipice. So I'm actually hoping it will fall over there when it is separated. So let's see. So I'm on this side right now. There is one planting. I think I showed you that when it was just coming out, getting bigger. And I maybe have to move a little bit faster as it is right now, because I'm using my phone camera here. I'm not sure if this being waterproof, and it is raining. Rain is coming down. Yeah. So I end up on the other side of this mango tree, massive. I'm not sure if this showing it how large it is, but yeah. So here I am on the other side, and I'm hoping that this whole section actually will, if that will burn off there, that this whole other section will fall over the precipice. That's a hope. So let's see if when I burn this until it's separate, if it will fall over. And the process here removing these bamboos begin. Lot of hard work chopping these out with my machete. So all of these right here right now already cut out of the ground and still there in the catching up in the other ones that don't cut as yet. So we'll have to get those down. But as you can see, I already cut a whole portion out. My machete right there. Well, maybe not seen so well from this angle. And I was open to set my tripod down and demonstrate chopping some of these bamboos, but let's see if I'll be able to do that because the rain is coming down. Right now my screen is wet, and I'm not sure this phone is waterproof. Never really check it out, so don't want too much water to get in it. So while I'm doing this section right now, as you can see, still have a lot more to cut. This section just, I maybe cut a couple from this section so far, so this section literally don't even start yet. Yeah, so I guess soon you'll see the result as I finish cut and clean up and start planting more stuff, extending the farm from there, coming around all over. And you maybe can see this tree there. I literally climbed that tree and limb the limbs off, and I have a few more trees around here that I will have to do that too as well. And here are a bunch of the bamboos that I chopped clean and put across this area that is right along the precipice, so kind of create a bit of security. You know, this area don't have any trees, so if you're working close by and slip,